A pleasant morning to everyone. My name is Eric John Mallorca. Today, I will explain about virtue as a mean and virtue ethics in different traditions. So, virtue as a mean. For Aristotle, virtue is the golden mean between two extremes. The virtue of courage is a mean between two extremes of deficiency and extreme, namely cowardice, lack of bravery, and foolhardiness, respectively. Too little courage is cowardice, and too much courage is foolhardiness. So, according kay Aristotle, virtue means finding the golden mean or balance between sa two extremes. So, ang examples, makita na to diha, which is ang too little courage, which is nana siya ang cowardice. Too much courage is ang foolhardiness. So, the right amount of courage is the virtue. So, this lesson talks about virtue, means being a good person. So, Aristotle said, being good is about balance, not too much and not too little. So, the next one is ang virtue ethics in other traditions. So, i-direct na lang ko nag-explain tanan aron atong mas masabtan. So, this lesson, it explains that many cultures teach similar moral values, even if they are different religions. So, unahan nato diha si Confucius. Confucius taught two important virtues, which is ang ren. Ang ren is mo ni siya ang pagkamaluluyon o may gugmaon. Then ang li, maayong pamatasan o respeto. The next one is ang Hinduism. Ang Hinduism teaches moral virtues like kanang dili pagdaot sa uban, pagkamatinud-anon, honesty, and kanang self-control. The next one is ang Buddhism. So ang Buddhism nag-focus siya on intellectual and moral virtues such as right understanding, mindfulness, right speech, right action, and right livelihood. Next is ang Jesus Christ or Christianity. So in Christianity, Jesus Christ taught that a good person should live by love and kindness toward God and other people. His teachings focus on forgiveness, helping others, and showing compassion even to those who hurt us. So ang the main virtues niya ang ginapakita is ang love, mercy, patience, and compassion. So the last one is ang Thomas Aquinas. So ang Thomas Aquinas explained that true happiness comes from a living a moral and virtuous life. So kini siya nagpasabot nga ang tinuod nga kalipay makabot if magpractice ta og maayong kinaiya ba sama sa pagtuo, paglaom, hustisya ug pagpugong sa tong kaugalingon. So the main virtues are faith, hope, love or charity, justice, and self-discipline. So that's all of my report and I hope na namoy nasabtan nga bahalag gamay lang. Salamat and God bless sa tanan.